All right, so we made it to PARC. This is going to be the best event of the trip, I feel like. We're going to do hot lapping at PARC, do a little separation of the track, try to do as many laps as we can, keep people rolling. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a disaster. But I think it'll be good. Most of these guys know what they're doing, and everybody has respect for one another, so I have some good hopes for that. Hopefully we're doing ride-alongs all day, giving people some hype and smiles on faces, and yeah, just a good day at PARC. I'm just happy to be able to share like the track that I drive all the time with everybody at Drift Week and kind of help them through shredding.
Cool.
But the big thing is just treat this place nicely, because like Chris loves all of you, loves drifting, has made this place such an awesome place to go drifting, so let's keep it that don't take them that far, but unfortunately I took them that far this time. It's funny because they still had great grip at the end.
I was saying you were putting out a pretty good lap and then it stopped.
It was like boom, and I'm like, please don't mess the track up. I almost just blew off the ground. It's a 16 valve blacktop. No,
4AGE.
4AGE. Okay. Yep. Oh, 4AGE. Sorry. I was thinking I was gonna get this thing to 10,000 RPM like Takumi Fujiwara. No, so we're gonna go out and just give this thing a shot. It's been a very long time since I've driven a stockish Corolla. This has angle, coilovers, handbrake. I assume it has a good diff. Is it welded or no?
Welded.
Okay, so welded diff, no limited slip. That's good. And like all of 100 horsepower. Maybe. It's got a header though, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it actually runs.
It's probably got 100 horsepower. Yeah. I'm gonna give it a shot. See how it goes.
Yeah, that's how I was
The gearing is the only problem.
Yeah.
It's just too long for second.
Yeah.
Like for the power.
Yeah. That's what I told him. I was like,
you could air the tires up another like 100 pounds and we could probably get it to work.
Yeah, I think they're like 80 right now.
I think the steering rack might be moving a little bit too.
Yeah. What's you have the aftermarket rack and stuff in it, right?
Yeah, but it needs new bushings.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I feel then.
Yeah.
No, it's like it's just in between gears.
Yeah, that's what I kept telling him earlier.
Yeah.
Like you can nail turn one over and over again.
Oh yeah. Turn one and you can actually do long course from the crest.
Oh, probably, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Totally.
Yeah, and it feels so.
Oh, you're like, yeah.
Makes you feel like a hero.
What's the timing at? Is it?
I don't know.
It might be pulled back a little bit.
Yeah.
Because like my last 4AGE seemed like it had a little more nuts around 4,000 than this does. But
the timing's kind of weird. They have too big of cams for the stock ECU, so they had to mess with the timing.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah.
Yeah, you just need like a full, like whatever gear is in it, you need 10 mile an hour less and it would be perfect.
Yeah.
Like I enjoy the power band in the car. It's just like you can't get it in the power band when you're in a tight track.
Yeah. It's a lot of dumb shifting and hurting the transmission.
But in the rain, it would be sick.
Oh, that's what I told him earlier when it started sprinkling. I was like, it's
Go
Corolla
out right
time.
now. Yeah, it brings me back for sure.
Yeah.
If I wasn't at the track that I take care of, I would be dirt dropping it to keep it on the pipe for sure.
I told him I was like, I had to resist so many times. I'm like, this is my car.
Yeah,
this is my car.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's got plenty of angle too. I don't know what it has, but
and you kept 3 kit.
Okay, and you kept power steering, which is cool.
Yes.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Everyone who gets rid of power steering that drifts, not a good time. We just finished up a day at PARC. Super successful. Oh, jeez. All right.
Murder dog.
Only 3 or 4 people went off track, and it was just a small, short course reduction of the track. We hot lapped all day. I think people probably collectively went through about 300 tires today, so that was pretty cool.
Track was never cold.
It was never cold. It was for maybe 2 or 3 minutes while the tractor was bringing somebody back, but it was hot all day, and not a single person stopped on grid. We rolled 5 miles an hour all the way to the start, then took off from there. I drove a ton of tandem laps. I probably did 200 laps today in the E36.
How many tires do you think you went through today?
I went through like 9 or 10. We kept just changing one because the back right was wearing, because we're running long course and it's really aggressive on tires. So we were just changing the back right over and over and over and over again and dealing with that. But we went through all of our used and scrubbed tires, and we did a good job. Made it all the way through. I think I probably gave 110 or 120 people ride along.
Easy.
Yeah. So we had the 4-seater out, so that helped.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall, this is my last day of Drift Week, so it's good to be able to drive with everybody and shred and hilariously door every single person with a stock E36 M3 powered drift car
With four people
four
in it.
people in it, and everybody, even like the fast cars here, just like playing games with them and dooring them. So it was really cool. It's a good experience. I'm pumped. I'm happy Drift Week. Happy Drift Week is over, but also I'm happy to have done Drift Week. It's been awesome. Really pumped on all of it. Everybody here has such a good sport, and it really is like one of the defining cultural events, I feel like, for the drifting community. So hopefully we can keep doing these and having a good time and keeping the spirit of drifting alive with it.
Pumpers! All right. Bonus pumper footage.